Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable DirectPlay using CMD and PowerShell. Go to the Start menu and search for Command Prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command and enter it. You can find this command in this video description and you can also find it on WinsidesCom in the relevant article. We have also given the article link in the description. As we are using DISM to enable this feature, we need to run command prompt as administrator because DISM requires elevated permissions. Now, the DISM is enabling direct play on Windows 11. The process will take some time, and that's it. The operation completed successfully. Direct play is now enabled on your Windows 11. In the next method, we will use Windows PowerShell. Go to the Start menu and search for PowerShell and make sure to run it as administrator. In the PowerShell, execute the following command. You can find this command in this video description. You can also find this command at winsidescom in the relevant article. PowerShell is now enabling direct play, which is a legacy component, and that's it. Direct play is now enabled via Windows PowerShell. We don't need to restart the system.